Have you ever sat down and felt the most excruciating pain that you could ever feel because you feel like a bee just stung you in the butt? Well, your toilet seat has probably got a nasty big crack in it, and when you sit down, it separates and moves around. We don't want that to happen, and we don't want to pay a plumber $150 to come replace this. So I'm going to show you how to do it in about 5 easy minutes.
Through the car wash, baby, and get it waxed. I want to wax it, and air dry, air dry that shit, yeah.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Kreationz, and today I got just a quick little one for you DIYers at home. Have you ever had a busted toilet seat? This one is wood and actually cracked on me, but sometimes you get those padded ones and they break up and start to pinch you a little bit. Well, instead of hiring someone to come in and do an easy job like this, I'm going to show you how quick you can do it. So this one just is wood and it just cracked here totally. But if you look at the toilet seat itself, you just pop this open in the back, this little piece, and there's a screw in here, and I'm going to show you like on this one. Let me bring you in a little closer so I can show you what I'm working with. So now from the side view, you can see a little better what we're working with. And here you can see the crack all the way across the seat. And it's only maybe a few days before it probably cracks on the other side, or you don't want to pinch your tushy on this. So time to get a new one. So we're going to hold the little piece on the bottom here. There's a little plastic piece. And then we're going to go ahead and stick our Phillips screwdriver in. Now this is a plastic bolt or screw, and there's a plastic nut under here. So we're just gonna unscrew it. And it's pretty easy, you can get it with your hand now. And then there's the little nut under here. It's just a circle, and it just screws together like this through the thick seat, and it locks on. And this will usually push against the wall here, so you don't have to hold it with your hand. You just start it and then you can do it. Now that we have the seat ready, we're gonna go ahead and take our seat and remove it. And then we're gonna get our new toilet seat out, fresh new one, no breaks. Now this one operates a little different, so if you were gonna put the same toilet seat on, say this is our new toilet seat, you would just do the same thing and take the screw and the nut, and then you would just put the screw back in, hold it back here, try to catch it, just like you're putting a bolt and a nut together, and then screw it down. Remember, this is plastic. You'd only want it just tight a little bit. You don't want to crank on this because you could break anything. You could break the toilet seat, the thing itself. If it doesn't catch, it'll just be wobbling all over. You don't want that as well. But we're gonna put a different kind of toilet seat on this time. So this would be this to this. Now we're gonna do a different one where the pieces on the inside lock in. So these are a little different. This one you put the screw in and attach it first, and then you pop these down on top, and then you turn it to where it says lock and unlock. Unlock, lock. So we would put them to unlock, we will put it back down on, and then put it to lock. So let me show you what these screws look like now, because they're just a little bit different. So I have never seen this kind where the top is like a piece of the connection. I've only seen this kind that goes through. But when I ordered the new toilet seats, this kind came, but it's kind of cool. You just, instead of putting the seat on and then putting it through, you just put it through and feed it. I don't know why it was so long, but I just feed it. I get it hand tight. It'll turn, right? And then, like I said, this one, you just line it up on, push it on like that. It just pops right on. And push this one on, it aligns itself. And then you could pull it up from here, but then you move this little thing over to the locking side. And now it's locked in. And there you go. Sturdy as can be. Brand new toilet seat. Everything's good to go. You don't have to worry about anything. I spent $14 on this seat and got it sent to my house from Amazon. So don't pay a plumber $100 to come change your toilet seat or $150 when you can do it in about 10 minutes yourself with just one screwdriver, 10 minutes, and $15 for Amazon or wherever you want to buy it.